Namaskar, good morning everybody. I am Shiva Pokharel, my channel Yoga and Fitness with Shiva. Today I am going to give a very important yoga posture. That name is Kandasan. We all know that Kandasan is a very advanced level of yoga posture, especially for hip opening, ankle and knee strength. Therefore, it is our responsibility to make our very strong knee and flexible ankle and hip. This all three combination plays a vital role to make this Kandasan very easily. First of all, you can do always basic warm up. After completing your basic warm up, those people are suffering from hernia, diarrhea, ulcer, cancer, they cannot do this asana. But by the help of experienced yoga teacher and therapist, you can do all these yoga asana very perfectly. First of all, you can do some preparatory yoga asana. I am starting from very important yoga posture. That name is swastik asana. Like as a sign of swastik, we are trying to make swastik. You can inhale, exhale in this posture. Slowly you can change your leg. You can also do the counter pose, always do counter pose. You can do other. This is first preparatory yoga asana for Kandasan, and you can do second preparatory yoga asana for Kandasan is Purna Matsyendra asana. This is also very good yoga posture for hip muscles, knee muscle and ankle muscles. Slowly. First of all, inhale, exhale, and slowly. First of all, you can balance your body. Try to catch your leg and inhale, exhale. This is very good for our hip muscles. Slowly change your leg. You can stay in this posture nearly 30 seconds to 1 minute. Inhale, exhale. Slowly. You can do other side as well. First of all, balance your body and slowly inhale and exhale. Slowly. Then other yoga asana for preparatory yoga asana for Kandasan is leg behind the head or ek pada sirsasana. This is also very good yoga posture for hip opening. You can watch this asana from the back side as well. You can stay in this posture nearly 30 seconds to 1 minute. Slowly. Slowly. You can change your leg, other leg. Then slowly you can do butterfly pose. Butterfly pose is a very important yoga posture for hip opening. Very good yoga posture. Please erect your spinal cord. Inhale, exhale. Please erect your spinal cord very straight and inhale, exhale. Then slowly you can practice Kandasana as well. This is called Kandasana. You can stay in this posture nearly 30 seconds to 1 minute. Inhale, exhale. Then slowly you can do some preparatory yoga asana. Then you can do Dandasana as well. This is also, the Dandasana is also very good for our hip opening muscles. In the ancient time, many yogis trying to stay in this posture like as a danda. Then you can do other side as well. Then slowly you can stay in this posture nearly 30 seconds to 1 minute. You can stay for a long time, and with the inhale and exhale. With the inhale and exhale is very important in our yoga posture, plays vital role. Then you can slowly do Kandasana. slowly. Again you can do butterfly. This butterfly is a very good yoga posture to open our hip. Keep your mind that. I always practice this yoga asana early in the morning, therefore I became a success to complete my kandasan very easily. Do not panic. No pain, no gain. Keep your mind in your You can watch my previous video of the kandasan. My hip opening is not very perfect, but nowadays my hip opening is very good. For my rigorous and arduous work, I reached at the zenith of the power to complete my motto to do this kandasana. Then you can again do kandasan. You can salute namaste. This is also namaste pose. Slowly relax in any yoga posture. Today I have been giving very important and very advanced yoga posture. That name is kandasan. If you feel this kandasan is a very good asana, you can comment on the comment box. Thank you for watching my video. There are numerous benefits from this yoga posture. This is a very good yoga posture to remove our stress. This is very good yoga posture for our belly fat. Especially this yoga posture is focused on ankle muscle, knee muscle and hip muscle. All these three muscles are very strong and flexible. So you can include this yoga asana in your daily routine. Please practice together with breathing. Slowly breathing, not very fast. Then slowly. Namaskar, have a nice day.